says it looks like the Harry Potter sorting hat. I guess I can see that. First mate doing a good job, isn't he?
Doing my best Cape Winslet imitation. Vessel, so he has to change his course.
Yeah, you tell him that, Scott.
You get your life preservers handy?
Okay, here we are approaching the Cape May Inlet. It's taken us 3 hours and 31 minutes, and we have traveled 58.1 nautical miles to get here. It's been a fantastic day on the Delaware Bay. It wasn't until about 20-30 minutes ago it started to build up, but the tide has changed, and we are now running against the tide instead of with the tide. We will should be at the dock in about 20 minutes. Alrighty, here we are. to Cape May. We'll go for a walk downtown. They've got a nice historic mall area. It'll be fun. But we are at the South Jersey Marina. Captain Bill Conlon, thanks for the recommendation. Dock hand has been fantastic. And we're gonna get some fuel too. There's Admiral Wendy. Bunch of sporties, huh? Look at those. Cape May, doing the tourist thing. Some standing out in the middle of the road. Good morning. Here we are, leaving Cape May. I think it's around 8:30, 9 o'clock. 9:19. Forecast isn't the best. We may be turning around and coming back. But the goal is to make it down most of the Jersey coast today to Hoffman's Marina at the Manasquan Inlet. So wish us well. Fair seas, smooth seas, and fair winds. That's it. Still in the Cape May Canal, but there's the big blue ahead of us. What will she have in store? Matey!
What's fun?
Having fun. Well, so far Mother Ocean's been pretty good to us this morning. Still a bit breezy, but the seas are calm. What's the forecast?
Forecasts are 1 to 2 foot swells. Winds on our bow. Perfect ride for this boat.
We have Atlantic City in sight. It's a long ways away, but it's a crystal clear day. We can see it.